Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Danielson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Jaco Blue control box to pair with your Permobile wheelchair via Bluetooth. With this control setup, you'll have proportional control over Jaco using your existing wheelchair joystick. To pair with your Permobile wheelchair that supports Bluetooth, follow these steps. Switch to Bluetooth mode on your wheelchair. Move the joystick forward and hold for 10 seconds. You'll hear a beep and then release the joystick. Move the joystick backwards and hold for 10 seconds. You'll hear a beep and then release. The Bluetooth icon on your wheelchair's control screen should now be flashing. This indicates it is ready for pairing. Now, to initiate pairing on your Jaco Blue box, first, turn the power to Jaco off and then back on again. Wait a few seconds and then press the pairing button using a small object such as a pin or a pen. The Bluetooth LED will begin flashing rapidly when the Jaco Blue box is ready for pairing. With the Bluetooth LED on Jaco Blue flashing rapidly, as well as the Bluetooth icon on your wheelchair's control screen flashing, wait a few seconds and the icon on your wheelchair's control screen should go from flashing to solid. This indicates that a successful pairing has occurred. Now you can test the connection by moving your joystick on your wheelchair, and Jaco should move in response. At launch, Jaco Blue supports Bluetooth connections with most wheelchairs, including any using Curtiss-Wright R-net electronics or Quantum Q-Logic 3 electronics. Jaco Blue has support for other control methods as well, including analog DB9, R-net direct integration, and powered USB. For more information, visit our website or contact your product representative today.